Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Monday morning and it is the beginning of a new cycle. Well, this is week 0 is what I call it because we're just getting a full week of recovery in between our two cycles, and really is the beginning of cycle 3 of 2026. And we are, like I say, at an active rest week. So today we've got the articulate your spine, which is about a 5-minute routine. It's got 6 moves in it, and the idea is to engage your spine and try to visualize or at least feel, moving one vertebrae at a time, and try to feel the connection between your vertebrae and your spinal column and your abdomen. So anyway, whether I can do that or not, I don't know, but I'll go through the routine and I'll get the good stretch in. I know I've done this a few times and it does feel good. So we'll get her done and get out on a walk. Then we'll come back and chat. So these are gonna be some short days. I'm planning to do stretch days Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then Tuesday and Thursday I'll hit a cardio routine. So anyway, let's hit the floor, get the articulate your spine done, head out on a walk, and we'll come back and chat. So let's do this, let's hit it. All right, so week 1, day 1 of week 0 is done. Partially through with the drudgery, what we say 20% or 15% done. So yeah, no, we gotta do this stuff. Meaning, I could sit in the house and lay around and do nothing, but that wouldn't be good. You atrophy pretty fast if you do that. So come out here and do this stuff. I don't mind doing it, but it's not the funnest part. I like getting the bar out, sticking some weight on it and lifting some weights, but we got to take a break from that. So we're taking a break from that, but we're not going to just sit and do nothing. We're gonna make ourselves come out here and do something. So whether it's a stretch or a cardio routine or something. So today we did a stretch. So just getting some extra recovery in from 6 weeks of incremental phase. So got the articulate your spine, and that was good. I mean, once I was done, I was like, oh man, that felt good. So, and then the walk was just a walk. As much as I wanted to jog, I needed the break. So I made myself walk. I mean, every once in a while I'd say, I'll just jog for 100 yards. But you know what, with me, that turns into the whole thing. I can't just do the 100 yards. So anyway, doing good now. So the day is short, meaning the workout was short, and only, I think the articulate your spine took 6-7 minutes, and of course a walk. When I walk the 2.5 miles, it takes about 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. So when I jog it takes less than 30 minutes, like 25 to 28 minutes or so. So anyway, got that done, and we're looking forward to another incremental phase, but this next incremental phase is going to be a little bit different. I explained on Friday, I think. Instead of increasing a rep each week, we're going to start with a weight and do 4 sets of 8 and continue 4 sets of 8, but we're going to increase the weight each week. So start with something manageable or something that kind of got to plan it out. If it's 6 weeks, that's if I go up 5 pounds a week on bench, After 6 weeks, how many pounds is that? 30 pounds. So I gotta manage a 30 pound. Like to get over 200, 4 sets of 8 over 200, maybe at 205. So maybe I'll track down from 205 or maybe even 215. So maybe we'll shoot for 215. We'll see. But anyway, that's kind of the idea behind that one. In squats, I don't know if I'll go up 10 pounds. 2.5 pounds isn't much. Meaning the 2.5 pounders, I don't usually play with those on squats. So we'll probably use the 5 pounders. Maybe start with, if I start with 185 and do 30, then that's 60 pounds. So that's 245. I think I might be able to do, I don't know if I'll do 4 sets of 8 with 265, but I can do a couple sets of 8, 265, pretty sure. So anyway, I'm getting long-winded. That's what we're looking forward to, and that's what we're recovering for. So we're gonna plan to do a cardio routine tomorrow, and again, walk, because that's kind of the split I've set up. And Wednesday I have been walking too, because I'm recovering from legs, but I don't know, I may pull the split back and get a little more jog in, just to get a bit more intensity. I should be somewhat recovered after Tuesday, and or more recovered after Tuesday, and then Wednesday maybe we can hit it a little harder. But anyway, getting through this drudgery, just a necessary evil. So got to get through all these routines, and then we can start the fun next week. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Monday. Take care, be safe, get some longevity training in, folks, so you can meet age with grace. Do it, folks, let's do it. All right, we'll talk to you later. You guys take care, be safe, see ya.